How to cancel an Uber Eats pass. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will learn how we can cancel an Uber Eats pass, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to cancel an Uber Eats pass, all you have to do is, Uber Eats pass is basically a type of subscription that you will get so that you can apply some discounts to your Uber Eats order. Now if you would like to cancel this subscription because you don't find it fruitful, it is very simple to do so. You can tap the account icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now right over here you can see Uber One. In your case you could find the option called Uber Pass, so make sure to select that option and then just go to the option called Manage Membership and then choose to end the membership if you have one. In my case I currently do not have any sort of membership, so you're not being able to see them, but if you do, you can simply find them within this tab, an option called Uber Pass, and then you will be able to cancel them accordingly. This way you can cancel an Uber Eats pass. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.